Okay, so this is going to be the first in a series of videos that I'm going to do to cover the basics of keyboard playing. There will be a PDF download below this video for you to download the sheet that goes with this. So we're going to start from the very beginning. The beginning is middle C. That's that note right there. So every C is next to two black notes. You can see we've got groups of 3 black notes, 2 black notes, 3 black notes, etc. along the keyboard. We want to look for the group of 2, and the C is just to the left, okay? So just slightly lower, or you can think of it as just before. So that's that C there. It's usually the 3rd note along, or possibly the 4th note along, depending on how many notes you have on your piano or keyboard. This one here, I've got 2 lower Cs. So this is the 3rd note along. And go ahead and compare that note to the note on your own keyboard or piano to make sure you've got the right note, this middle C. And then I suggest for learning purposes to just mark that note with something so that you know where that is, because that is a really important note for keyboard players, because we've got all the notes this side we do with our right hand, and all the notes this side we play with our left hand. Now that's just a general rule, but it does kind of mark the middle of the keyboard. I'll put up on the screen just now the position of this note written for the right hand, and then the position of this note written for the left hand. As we play the keyboard with 2 hands, usually, we have 2 staves for the left hand and the right hand. So this is the very start. We normally start with the tune middle C, which goes something like this. And you'll notice there I'm swapping my hands, and for this tune it doesn't really matter which finger you use. It's just getting used to the position of middle C. In future lessons we'll be talking about correct hand position and, you know, using your fingers correctly. But for now, just finding middle C on your keyboard and playing the tune, which I will link to in a PDF down below in the description of this video.